Don't you think there's something like sensual about just sucking the chicken off a bone?
Kiss me, baby. I'm like, oh my God.
Welcome to Night In, Night Out, the show where we compare a home-cooked tasty recipe to a night out at a fancy restaurant. Today we're going on not one but two dates, and then at the end we're each going to pick which one was the better date. Today's food is roast chicken.
Your roast chicken is pretty good.
Is this pretty good?
It's pretty good.
I'm sure like this professional chef is going to make a very good roast chicken, but
I'm sure it'll be absolutely delicious.
it's not gonna be better than mine.
It's gonna be a roast chicken with Brussels sprouts and red russet mashed potatoes. Apparently it's Brussels sprouts. I always thought it was Brussels sprouts. Red potatoes. We can get a young chicken, a fresh young chicken, or a free-range young chicken. What do you think, Ariel? Young chicken, fresh young chicken, free-range young chicken? Got a tiny little fresh young chicken.
Roast chicken is the most special, simple meal.
Yeah, and then there's the waiting for it to cook part. That's like the date.
It's like half the fun.
That's like the date in itself.
We made it. Bean is here too. Well, let's get to cooking.
You're gonna get like little pieces of paper towel stuck inside the chicken. That's
Stuck.
yeah, of course it's stuck, you goofball.
I'm making my chicken butter spread.
Chicken butter.
It's butter, salt, pepper, and sage. So there we go. We got our chicken slathered in butter and sage.
Yummy.
Rub it inside the skin. I don't have any string on me.
I can find string. Chicken, where is it? Where is it?
I'm putting the carrots in the bird.
In the cavity?
I was gonna say the butthole.
That seems like a terrible idea.
Yep. Okay.
Put the bird in.
So whatever are we going to do for an hour?
That's really good. Give it to me.
Get in there. Oh no! Mario Kart has been played.
And one by me.
Well, you won some of the games. Ariel's working on the Brussels. Meanwhile, I am doing the mashed potatoes.
You put them in the water, and then you boil them for a little while and do this thing called the fork test.
Oh.
If the fork goes in and out pretty cleanly, then they're ready.
All right, let's get the garlic in there. Throw the potatoes in. Yeah. Smash.
Here, Ned smash.
Add the milk. Look at that. Stir, mash.
More salt.
Wait, let's taste. Just put some salt in.
I don't know what you're talking.
Okay. We have this nice distribution of labor where I do the meats,
That's true.
she does the veggies.
I like to massage my vegetables. He likes to massage his meat. And I wasn't thinking of it like that. These have so much oil on them; they're gonna get super crusty. It's a little bit leaky, so we have to drink it fast.
Cheers.
Love box wine. Hey, it's a real life boomerang.
Chicken's burning? Well, that's definitely smoking. I think it's okay.
It's so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's not burned at all.
Look at that. The legs kind of got a little splayed out. This chicken's like, sup.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh, look at that little guy.
Why do you cut from the bottom?
I don't know. I read on the internet one way. It's Thanksgiving on a Wednesday night.
Kind of do all three.
Okay, ready? Wait. All right, ready? Oh, no, I'm so sorry. Let's eat it! Oh, that's really good. That's really good.
That's
The
really
mashed
good.
potatoes are perfect.
Yeah, they are. So are the Brussels.
Nicely garlicky. Yeah, Brussels are great. Chicken is good.
It's moist.
Tender. So crispy on the outside. Why do bars charge like $14 for Brussels sprouts?
When you can get them at the grocery store for like
Yeah, for like a couple bucks.
Yeah.
All right, let's talk about these mashed potatoes.
They're very good.
Like a big kick in the with garlic.
Do you have to be so vulgar?
You're right. You get a kick in the buns.
There we go.
So that was date number one. That was our night in. It's
Yeah.
time for the night out. But first, we gotta change. We're going to Melis. It is a fancy French restaurant on the west side of LA. It's gonna take us about 45 minutes to get there.
I would rather not be driving in the daytime because it is so warm.
I'm so sorry I didn't fix your air conditioning.
I think the thing that's bothering me the most now, though, is that the backs of my knees are sweating.
That's the worst kind
It's
of
like
sweat.
a weird thing.
It's like the nastiest sweat. Why should we pay $60 for something we can make at home?
Right.
Why should we pay? It's $60 per person.
Wow.
It's $120.
What is it that you like about roast chicken? Do you like the crispy skin?
Crispy skin.
Crispy skin.
And then it's gotta be moist. Sometimes chicken breasts can dry out.
Moist breasts.
Moist breasts? Did somebody say moist breasts? Actually, my breasts are very moist right now.
I'm Josiah Citron. I'm the chef and owner of Melis Restaurant
Hello.
here in
Great
Santa
to
Monica,
meet you.
California. So today we're gonna do one of our classic dishes. It's roasted chicken, black truffle stuffed underneath the skin. And today we'll be serving it with white asparagus and morel mushrooms. Here we have our white asparagus. This is in yellow wine, asparagus juice, and a little cream. And here we have our morel mushrooms to get a nice flavor. We have mashed potatoes here.
Do you have any tips for someone that's trying to cook a chicken at home?
It's really great when you brine it. So I brine it, and the air drying overnight in the refrigerator is great because it makes the skin much crispier and delicious. It can be in the oven like 1 hour, take it out, let it sit,
And it
and it continues to cook. We serve you the breast first, and then we do a second service of the legs. Because you really can't cook a chicken, breast and leg perfectly at the same time.
That's where we went wrong.
That's where you went wrong.
We just stick the whole thing.
No, but we do too. But at the end, we take it off. After the table, we send it back to the kitchen.
Wow.
Then we're gonna sear it in a pan at the end with some butter. I know you like butter.
I do like
We're gonna
butter.
hit you up with the butter.
Comparing the home to the fancy restaurant.
Yes.
I totally messed up carving the chicken earlier today. What's the best way to carve a chicken?
I'm gonna show you.
Oh my gosh.
Trolleys. What is this?
Look at this. It's a real baller move to order the tableside chicken.
Yeah, no, truly. I'm so hungry.
Take the legs off first. Which, we're gonna send it back. We're gonna cook a little more.
Oh my god. Straight down the middle.
Here we have our beautiful presentation for you.
That's beautiful.
A little truffle in there.
Wow.
A little foie gras butter. Morel mushrooms. This is a decadent dish.
I never knew chicken could be so decadent.
And voila.
Thank you so much.
I'm blown away. Could you imagine being in a crowded restaurant where everyone's like, oh, they got the chicken. The sauce looks so good. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm sorry.
You just started. You just ate it.
Were you waiting for me? Oh my goodness. This is chicken.
This is chicken 2.0. Apparently, I've been overcooking chicken my entire life.
Mashed potatoes. We had mashed potatoes
we
earlier,
had mashed potatoes in our dish.
but they weren't this. There's a flavor that I don't recognize.
Might be the truffle sauce. I gotta up my sauce game. You know
Yeah,
what
you
I'm saying?
do. Sauce is where it's at.
Yeah. Truffles just like make my mouth salivate. Put it on everything.
Yeah.
Hot dog, boom, truffle
Hot
sauce.
dogs.
Hamburgers, truffle sauce.
Cereal.
Truffle sauce.
So here we, of course, do it's a chicken soup with barley, black barley, and white asparagus.
What?
Wait, that was a complete surprise.
Chicken
I
soup?
did not know chicken soup was coming.
That's like the most comforting chicken soup I've ever had.
That broth is incredible.
It's like dessert, but with a chicken. And this is even more deliciously succulent.
It's actually magical.
Cheers to that. Happy day.
Maybe date night. No.
Amazing.
I feel awesome.
The big question is, did we like the night in or the night out better? I mean, we had 90 minutes to just hang out.
Yeah, but the presentation at Melis, he cuts it, puts it on your plate, serves, ready to go. That was incredible.
Yeah.
And so romantic.
It
I
was
felt
so
like.
romantic. You feel so special. So your winner is
The night out again. I just love going out to
Classy
dinner.
lady.
Am I a classy lady?
I watched a classy lady. It's true.
But what about you?
Here's the thing. I talked pretty big game about my chicken, but the chicken at Melis is not something that I could have made. That was a level of roast chicken I didn't think existed.
Well, we've never cooked with truffles before.
That's true. Where do you even get
I
truffles?
wouldn't even know what to do with them.
Don't you need a rabbit?
I would use like
Or a dog? Or like a bloodhound? Bloodhound.
No, honey.
Bloodhounds get truffles,
no,
no?
honey, pigs.
Pigs, that's what it is. My answer. I gotta also go for the night out.
Yes!
Yeah.
The night out wins!
Yeah, it does. Well, thanks for watching. Let us know whether you thought the night in or the night out was better, and comment below what we should do next.
That was good. Oh, that was the Dusk chicken?
Yeah, that was on the floor. I put it on your plate because
Oh,
I didn't think you were gonna eat
I
it.
remember that. Okay.
Exploded inside.
How's your back of the knee sweat?
I don't have it.
Wow.
Yeah.
See, that's what a good meal can do.
Oh, yes!